a crapping polo and also the Rosamond Brown. Now this year you may ankasa no was a afibie sign away the afi way die. I say I'm my sister even though she's been bagging some achievements also no we all know what happened to Rosamond Brown oh yeah early this year post to be oh yeah on the social media pages or post a picture of herself and the son Afaka Kaba with it was nude and all of that and they went to court back and forth. Woman a 90-day. She actually spent some days in cells, and then later on they went to court, and then she was sentenced to a 90-day jail term. What's up? What's up? Yeah, that comes. That was and lawyers so they went in for appeal CCR in there and our cope more court. Now the High Court in Accra has dismissed an appeal filed by Rosamond Alade Brown aka Crapping Polo which sought to challenge the 90-day jail term handed to her by the Accra Circuit Court on April 16, 2021. This means that Crapping Polo will continue serving the jail term handed her by the Circuit Court. Now, in a ruling on Wednesday morning, that's today, December 1st, the criminal division of the court, presided over by Justice Ruby Aite, upheld the Circuit Court's decision on grounds that the Circuit Court's decision was not manifestly excessive. And this is what the justice said, that is Justice Ai, and I quote, "This court will not interfere and the appeal is therefore dismissed. The court ordered that in the absence of the convict, a Crapping Polo's child should be given to any competent person in the family to take care of." Intino Asamno Onye Intino and Sha. Crapping Polo Christmas ya yaba bedia ye na yaba ko na adofo ye no ho ye na ebusuafo ba ye na nche yaba tutukwan yaba kokko events na di ansha no sister she would have to spend her Xmas behind bars without her son, which is quite unfortunate, and this has generated quite a number of conversations, especially on Twitter. As Sisiano say, yako Twitter Sisia, Twitter trends, Crapping Polo ma nkofoka the main particular issue yi ehwasem ewo honum. But then oyare hosem there be the Christmas pa na I enjoy life the ma prepare for Christmas then you would have to spend it behind bars no more into end wako court na ma wa benyin and the lawyer for Crapping Polo so today court na the one pedo obedi aboa or any client ni wa SMP ewo honuma